Most Pennsylvania rental disputes do not start with a big dramatic argument. They start with something that was never put in writing. Today, it is the Pennsylvania month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement sets out the rent, the deposit, who pays which utilities, and how much notice either side gives before ending the tenancy on a rolling term instead of a fixed year. It is the most flexible arrangement in residential renting, and the one people most often leave undocumented because it feels informal. Without it, you are relying on default rules and memory for the notice period, the deposit, and every house rule you thought you had agreed. And this matters more than people expect. The notice periods, the deadlines, and the wording that count are set by Pennsylvania law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Pennsylvania, and the page walks you through the Pennsylvania rules that apply to it. You complete the fields right in your browser and download a finished PDF, properly laid out, ready to sign and serve. It is free, and there is nothing to install. Do us a favor. Hit like, subscribe so you catch the other 50 states, and visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com to fill yours in.